Alright, let's go buy another one. I've already spent fucking almost $1,000 on this shit. Woo! Whoa, shit! I need a new one ASAP. I'm fucking, mine's broken, I've got to buy another one. Where they at? Over here. I need it. Oh, fuck. I'm not buying it unless it's a 5-4. Oh. It touched my gun. Rubbing me for good luck, like. Don't try that. How much is one? 1,200 baht. Suck me off. 1,200 baht. Out of your fucking mind. They're like fucking $5 on Shopee.
We should go on the other side because we're going to get a lie right here.
That's the good part. Weaponless, I'm just walking through like a dickhead. Oh shit! I forgot that one out. Look out. This way. That's the car was right up your ass.
Hello, what? Big size.
Is that the same song?
Yeah, I pay 600. How much?
No 600 baht.
Okay, bye-bye.
1,000, okay.
No.
Oh, I pay 600, same thing. Hello?
Go on, go. Talking almost $50 for a water gun, 50 Australian dollars for a water pistol. Are you out of your fucking mind? Broken in fucking 20 minutes. $50 for the gun, you're joking me. No, that's your one. It's alright. This is actually fucking dead.
Yeah, last year was
This is fucking dead. Yo, let's go. I don't know. I don't know. I thought he said Wayne. That's why. Look. This is actually dead. I can't believe how fucking. Hopefully tonight. Oh fuck it. Crazy. Like last time it last year it was. Last year it took me almost a fucking hour to get from that down here at night time, like on the fucking scooter. You literally cannot move. It's like 4 songs playing in there. 7-5. With a 5-5 up. I'm looking. How much are these ones?
This is 80p, okay, I give you.
No.
The small one is 100 baht.
Huh?
Yeah.
No, I don't want that. That's fucking.
Yeah.
That's. No. Huh? 500 baht for this one. That's it.
7, okay.
No, 5. I've already bought 2, man. I don't want to keep buying them. Yeah, I know. I buy the same one and again they break. So I don't want to keep. Sorry.
Okay, 6.
No, 5. That's it. Come on. No, which one better?
Together.
Huh?
Yeah, together.
Which one better?
Better together, brother. Same.
Okay. Oh, the numbers are different. I'll take this one. These guys are literally just printing money at the moment. It is insane. Yep. Oh, here we go. This is the perfect. There we go. Yeah, this one's actually sick. Yeah, this one got some force to it. This one's got some what?
The water's very warm.
No, oh, we said hot. So fucking what, the boiling water and my shit. They come out of that hose. Same one you got.
Yeah.
Oh shit! Think you're out of range? Well, this one actually pumps up fucking mad. Up, up.
At least you can hear yourself think up here.
That looks good, eh?
Yeah, what the fuck?
Somebody's got a gun to the top.
Oh, does that smell? Smells like shit. Seven warm is a good one right now. I can move. Yeah, this is the one. Oh, the fuck was that? Oh, he's quick. Someone say Wayno? Oh shit, what are you doing? We go back.
Forever, bro.
Yeah, I fuck. Oh shit, how you doing? Oh, I'm with someone else for a sec. How you doing?
I'm good.
That's good. What's it?
Ready for business.
Oh, how you doing? Hello, how are you?
Hey, how you doing?
Not too bad. What's your name, sorry?
Josh.
Josh.
That's great.
Kirsty, nice to meet you.
Very good. Happy Songkran, brother.
Happy Songkran too. You having a good time?
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Fucking oath.
It's good to meet you, brother.
Good to meet you too. Hopefully it picks up a bit later. Oh yeah, quick photo.
Good,
All
take a photo.
Yeah, fucking oath. Come take the photo. We can all get in.
Thank you.
No, you fucking. Perfect. All right.
Good to meet you, brother.
All right. Good to meet you too. Good to meet you too. Enjoy your round. I'll probably see you when I walk back up and down here. Have a good one. Where's my homie at? What the fuck? Huh? At the back. Hello. What's going on, boys? I'm good. How are you, brother? Good to see you again. Good to see you. What the fuck? Who wants it? It's alright.
Find somewhere to get a drink.
Yeah, let's do that. Let's get a drink. I'm keen.
What way you should go?
Back that way.
Yeah. Cars there though. So you see the line here. Look.
Get these c***s. Fuck. Boom! 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 You fucking boom! Boom! Oh, fuck, that's cold. It was that. Oh, yeah, the cold water's fucked. All right, we're having a little break. Back at the hotel pool for a bit. Grab myself Jimmy, some Coke, some ice. Either borrow a glass from the bar, or Mum said there's cups in the room she's going to bring down. So, but anyway, make sure this is actually all closed up. Yep. Hello. All right, we're back out and about. I don't know for how long for. I've just been enjoying the time with my mum and my friends, bro. So, not recording everything. It's like my fourth Songkran. Fuck me. They go log in, but it's still dead. It's dead, but this shit was great. This shit was gridlock last night. Like it was. There was no gap like this. There was nothing like this. There was no gap like this. It was fucking proper gridlock, man. Like you moved about a meter a fucking an hour. Oh yeah, God, fuck it. Oh, I've got the ammo down. Hello? Hey, spray the back of the ambulance. Don't do that. That's a joke. I'm sorry. Get him! Bop! Yuck! Bop! Okay, I don't think they want it. goosebumps.